It's great that finally you can see in Ireland the progression in herbal medicine, that we have medicinal herbalists alongside growers, which is something that we had been missing for a long time in the world of herbal medicine in Ireland. My name is Helena. I am a student here at Cork College on the medicinal herb growing course. As you can see from looking around the garden, it's quite a privilege to be here.
I'm Klaus Leitenberger. I've been involved in organic horticulture for the last 35 years in many different roles. I ran a market garden. I was head gardener at the Organic Centre. I do a lot of advisory work. I also work as an organic inspector for the Organic Trust. So I'm really excited being part of this herbal growing project here in Castlecomer. I've been involved with Helen and David for the last 3 years as a consultant. Since February this year, we started a herbal growing course that is full-time, online. They have all the online sessions, which are quite detailed and very thorough. And everything is covered between soil health, soil fertility, plant propagation, botany, pest and disease prevention on herbs. Also the commercial aspects are covered by lecturers.
My name's Mo Osman. I'm doing the Organic Medicinal Herb course here in Castlecomer. There's a wealth of knowledge in amongst the cohort of people that I'm attending this course with, and that's specifically the instructing staff. That's where I'm getting a lot of the information from, and that's what's really interesting me and keeping me engaged in this.
My name is Heiko Klee. I'm originally from Germany, but I've been living in Ireland for more than 30 years now. And I've all my life worked in organic horticulture, market gardening. And since 2018, I've been working with medicinal plants. So I'm supervising the students in all aspects of herb growing, including the harvesting, propagation, pest diseases, everything you need to know for growing herbs. And that's where my passion is, really. And I want to share that with the students.
As the year is going through, we're getting the chance to see from seed to seed how the plants are growing. It's a great, unique marriage.
The facilities here are fantastic, and it's nice to be part of progressing it from where it was. And over the years, it's going to be amazing space. As with any sort of growing venture, it changes in a short period of time. And I'm looking forward to seeing how it develops and being part of it.